Okay, one applied question. Find the value of n in the given series. The series is 20 plus 19 integer 1 by 3 plus 18 integer 2 by 3 and so on. Where sum is 300. Correct? Okay, what are the given things here? A is equal to 20. D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 19 integer 1 by 3 minus 20 divided by 1. This is equal to 19 3s are 57 plus 1 58 divided by 3 minus 20 divided by 1. This is equal to cross multiply 1 into 58 58 minus 20 3s are 60 3 1s are 3. Okay, minus 2 divided by 3 is the D value, correct? Then Sn is equal to 300. N is equal to question mark. We know that the formula is, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into Sn is 300 is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into D. What is the value? Minus 2 divided by 3. This is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 22 is 40 plus into minus minus 2n divided by 3 minus into minus plus 2 divided by 3 40 divided by 1. This is equal to n by 2 in bracket. What is the LCM? 3. 1 3 is 3 1s are 3 1s are 43 is 120 2n plus 2. Correct? This is equal to 120 into n 120 n minus 2n into n 2n square plus 2n into n 2 into n 2n whole divided 2 3s are 6. Here 300. Division, it will become what? Multiplication. 300 into 6 is equal to 120n plus 2n 122n minus 2n square. Next 1800 plus 122, it will become what? Minus 120, wait. Minus 122n minus it will become plus 2n square is equal to 0. Correct? Minus is plus is minus is plus. Divide throughout by 2 or take 2 as common. Take 2 as common. After taking 2 as common, 2n square it will become what? 10 square minus 122 half 61n 1800 half 900 is equal to 0. Into 2 it will become divided by 2. Therefore, what is the equation here? N square minus 61n plus 900 is equal to 0. We need to multiply first and the last term. 900 into n square, 900 n square. You have to split 900 into 2 parts. Multiplied. If you multiply those 2 parts, you must get what? 900. If you add or subtract, you must get what? 61. Add करे तो 61 आना, multiply करे तो कितना आना पापा? 900 आना. Okay. For that, what we need to do? We need to take the factors of 900. Factors तो बको 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are, next 2 2s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, next 3 7s are, 3 5s are, next 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. Correct? You have to adjust the factors. Factors and adjust ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. For example, 2 2s are 4 3s are 12. Next 3 5s are 15 5s are 75. ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 900 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 61 ಬರ್ತದ? 75 minus 12 61 ಬರ್ತದನು? ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. 3 3s are 9 2s are 18. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಉಳಿದವು? 3 ಹೋದ್ವಿ. 5 5s are 25 25 2 is 50 okay into 50 ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 2 is 10 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 2 is 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಯಾವ ಇರ್ತದೆ 5 5 is 25 5 3 is 15 15 3 is 45 45 2 is 90 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 3 is 15 ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ 5 3 is 15 2 is 32 is 60 ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 3 is 6 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು 6 3 is ಅಲ್ಲ 6 5 is 30 ಯಾವ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ 5 5 ತಾಯಿನ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್
ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಮರ 5 5 is 25 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ 3 3 is 9 9 2 is 18 2 is 36 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 36 plus 25 61 okay we need to multiply 36 and 25 minus is there both are minus n next n square minus 36 and minus 25n plus 900 is equal to 0. You have to remove the middle term, you have to add these two terms. What is common here? n in bracket n minus 36 minus 25 in bracket n minus 36 is equal to 0. Correct? Minus into minus plus 25 into 36 900 25 common ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ n ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ okay n minus 25 is equal to 0 and n minus 36 is equal to 0. n is equal to 25 and n is equal to 36. So if you take n as 25 you will get sum as what 300. Yes 25 as 300. If you take n as 36 yes 36 it is also 300 because the AP is in decreasing order. Since the AP is in decreasing order, you will be getting n value 2 n values. Right. I think ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು exercise number 1.3 question number 3 first question what is the question here a is equal to 5 b is equal to 3 an is equal to 50 n is equal to question mark and sn is equal to question mark correct we know that to find n value we need to have an n and d an and a and d you have a d an therefore you can find n with the help of formula an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d correct an formula use ಮಾಡಿ n find out ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ sn find out ಮಾಡೋಣ understood okay what is the formula an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. What is an value? 50 is equal to a is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 d is equal to 3 plus 5 it will become minus 50 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3 50 minus 5 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3 into 3 to become divided by 3 45 divided by 3 is equal to n minus 1 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 3 5s are 15 15 is equal to n minus 1 minus 1 ikkada bandaga enaguttappa plus 1 15 plus 1 is equal to n therefore n is equal to 16 Therefore, n is equal to 16. Correct? We got n value. We need to find out Sn value. Yes or no? Sn formula. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket. Okay? Look here. We have a value. We have an value. First term पता है, last term पता है. ಎರಡು first last ಎರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ small sn formula. What is small sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. This is equal to what is n value? 16. What is a value? 5. What is an? 50. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. 8 in bracket 55. Okay, what will be the answer? 220. Yes, 16 is equal to 440. 440. 440. Correct? 440. Right. Second question. What is the question here? A is equal to 7. D is equal to question mark. A 13 is equal to 35. We need to find out D and S13. Look here. A13, S13. That means there are 13 terms only. There are 13 terms only. Number of terms? Number of terms 13. N is equal to 13. Correct? There are only 13 terms. Therefore, they have given E13 and S13. N is equal to 13. This is the first term. This is the last term. First term, last term. An is A13. A13 is 35. What we need to find out? D. Okay. A13 can be written as A plus 12D. We know that A13 can be written as A plus 1 D. A plus 12D. Okay. A13 value 35 is equal to what is A value? 7 plus 12 into what is D value? Question mark. Plus 7, it will become 35 minus 7 is equal to 12 into D. 28 is equal to 12 into D. 12 into the divide. 28 divided by 12 is equal to D. 4 3s are 4 7s are 28. Therefore, D value is 7 divided by 3. D is equal to 7 divided by 3. What we need to find out? Yes, 13. Yes, n is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. A plus an. Yes, n. What is n value? 13. Yes, 13 is equal to 13 divided by 2 in bracket. What is a value? 7 plus an. An is nothing but what? An. N value is 13. A 13. This is equal to 13 divided by 2 in bracket 7 plus a 13 value 35. 35. This is equal to 13 divided by 2. 35 plus 7 42. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are. Okay, what is the answer? 21. 13 into 21. 13 ones are 13. 13 2s are 27. 273. Check the answer. Yes, 13 is equal to 273. Third question. What they have given here? A12 is equal to 37. D is equal to 3. A is equal to question mark. Yes, 12 is equal to question mark. We know that A12 can be splitted as A12 can be written as A plus 11D. This A12 is 37 is equal to what is A value? Don't know. 11 into D value is 3. 37 is equal to A plus 11 3s are 33 ikkadi kalse ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ minus 37 minus 33 is equal to a. Therefore a value is 4. We got a value. A is equal to 4. A equal to 4. Next what we need to find out? S12. S12 and A12. That means n is equal to 12 only. N is equal to 12. Therefore the small formula Sn is equal to a n by 2 in bracket n by 2 in bracket a plus an. S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 in bracket. What is a value? 4 plus a12. This is equal to 2 1s are 2 6s are 6 in bracket 4 plus a12 value 37. This is equal to 6 in bracket 41. This is equal to 246. This is the answer. Fourth question. The question is A3 is equal to 15. Correct? A3 is equal to 15. S10 is equal to 125. D is equal to question mark. A10 is equal to question mark. Here S10 and A10. That means n is equal to 10. Sn formula, small formula, because we know first term and the last term. First term we don't know. Look here, A3 can be written as a plus 2d is equal to 15. A plus 2d is equal to 15. Next equation number 1. Equation number 1. From the equation, that means Sn is equal to, we know that Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket a plus an. Sn, n is equal to 10. 10 divided by 2 in bracket a plus an. An is nothing but what? A10. N is equal to 10. A plus A10. This hingu bariyuttinu. Look here. This can be written as, this implies plus 2d ikkada plus enagtadappa minus 2d. A is equal to 15 minus 2d. Equation number 1. A plus 2d adilla plus 2d ekkada plus enagtada minus 2d. A is equal to 15 minus 2d. Correct? A is equal to 15 minus 2d. Sn formula n by 2 in bracket a plus an. Okay. This S10 is equal to 125. Then this is equal to 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 in bracket. What is a value?
15 minus 2d.
15 minus 2d plus A10 can be splitted as a plus 9d. Correct? Okay. Into 5 it will become divide. 125 divided by 5 is equal to, in bracket 15 plus 9d minus 2d plus 7d. 9 के अंदर 2 निकालो, कितना? 7d. बिग नंबर सिंबल प्लस. नेक्स्ट यूनिट प्लस a. A value is, what is a value again? 15 minus 2d. 5 1s are 5, 25s are. Therefore 25 is equal to, what is the answer? 25 is equal to, in bracket 15 plus 15 30 plus 7d minus 2d 5d. Okay. Next plus 30 it will become minus, plus is the divide ಆಗ್ತದ na. 25 minus 30 is equal to 5 into d. 25 minus 30 minus 5 is equal to 5 into d. Into 5 it will become divide. Minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to d. 5 1s are 5 1s are. D is equal to minus 1. D is equal to minus 1. Put this value in equation number 1. Put this value in equation number 1. From equation number 1, from equation number 1. What is A value? A is equal to 15 minus 2 into D. D is minus 1. A is equal to 15 minus into minus plus 2. A is equal to 17. We got A value and also we got D value. What we need to find out? A10, huh? Yes or no? A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A value is 17 plus 9D. D is minus 1. 17 plus into minus, minus. 9 ones are 9. What is the answer? 8. A10 is equal to 8. Check the answer. The question is D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, A is equal to question mark and also A9 is equal to question mark. S9, A9. That means N is equal to 9. Let us consider N is equal to 9. We know that the small formula of Sn. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket A plus An, correct? Okay. Yes, n value 9 is equal to 9 divided by 2 in bracket A plus A 9. 75 is equal to 9 divided by 2 in bracket. What is A value? Don't know. What is An? Splitted form A9. A plus 8D. A plus 8D. 75 is equal to 9 divided by 2 in bracket A plus A 2A plus 8D. Correct? 2A plus 8D. 75 is equal to 9 2s are 18 divided by 2. That means 9 only. Correct? 2 cancel. 9 into A 9A. 2 cancel. Next 2 1s are 2 4s are. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2 ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಐತೆ. 2 1s are ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 9 into A 9A plus 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. 4D into 9. 4 9s are 36D. Correct? 75 is equal to 9A plus 36 into what is D value? 5. D is equal to 5. Next 75 is equal to 9A plus 36 5s are 380 180 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 180 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 180. Next into 180 it will become, sorry, plus 180 it will become minus 75 minus 180 is equal to 9A. 180 के अंदर 75 माइनस करो, माइनस 105 is equal to 9 into A. Into 9 it will become divide. Minus 105 divided by 9 is equal to 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. What is the answer? A is equal to minus 35 divided by 3. We got A value. What we need to find out? A9 is equal to A plus 8D. A is equal to minus 35 divided by 3 plus 8 into what is D value? 5. This is equal to minus 35 divided by 3 plus 8 5s are 40 divided by 1. Cross multiply. 1 into minus 35 minus 35. 3 into 40 120 divided by 3 ones are 3. 85 I think. 85 divided by 3. A9 is equal to 85 divided by 3 and A is equal to minus 35 divided by 3. Check it out. Okay. Right. Okay, sixth question. A is equal to 2. D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. What we need to find out? N is equal to question mark, An is equal to question mark. Correct? We know the big formula of Sn. What is the big formula of Sn?
Sn is equal to
We know that Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, what is Sn value? 90 is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2 into a value is 2 plus n minus 1. What is d? 8. Division 2 irla kaste 90 is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2 is 4 plus 8 into n 8n minus 1 into 8 minus 8. 90 is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket, okay, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4 कितना बाबा? minus 4. 8n as it is, 8n कितना है उतना ही रखेंगे. 8n as it is, 8 minus 4 minus 4 because big number symbol is minus. 90 is equal to n 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are 4n, correct? 4n into n 4n square. Okay, next 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 into n 2n minus 2n, correct? 4n square minus 2n, then plus 90 it will become minus 90. This is plus 90, it will become minus 90. 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. This is divisible by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. 2 common here. Which common? 2 common. After taking 2 common, what will get? Take 2 common. 2 in bracket 2n square. Yes or no? 4 is there. Minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Into 2 it will become divide. 0 divided by 2 0 जाएगा उधर. क्या बचेगा? 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. We need to split it. Split the middle term into 2 parts. If you add them, you must get what? Minus n. If you multiply them, what you need to get? Multiply. 45 2s are 90 n square minus अदिले minus 9. मल्टीप्लाई करे तो minus 90 आना, ऐड करे तो n आना. 10 9s are 90. 10 minus 9 1 ಇಲ್ಲ तो 1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 10n minus 9n ಯಾವುದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? big number symbol minus ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ here minus is there, we need to make big number minus, small number is plus. 10 9s are 90, 10 minus 9 1. Okay, 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. बीच में निकाले ये दोनों इधर ऐड करें. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ವಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. It is divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 2. 2 common. n square n is there. n common, correct? n common ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? ಬರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಅಷ್ಟೇ. minus 5n ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ? n ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ? 5 as it is only. n ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. Plus this is divisible by 9. This is also divisible by 9. 9 common. 9 common ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ n minus 9 5s are 45. This is equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then 2n plus 9. 2n plus 9. One bracket. Another bracket n minus 5 ಅದಲ್ಲ? n minus 5 is equal to 0. We got what? n values. Therefore 2n plus 9 is equal to 0 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 5 will become plus 5. n is equal to 5. Okay, plus 9 will become minus 9 into 2 divide minus 9 divided by 2. n must be whole number, n must not be negative. n negative नहीं आना चाहिए, n negative ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅದೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಿರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂತಿರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -9 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂತಿರ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ n ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ applicable. Therefore what is n value? 5. n is equal to 5. What we need to find out? an. Correct? an is equal to formula a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. a5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d. This is equal to a plus 4d. What is a value? What is d value? A value is 2 plus 4 into d value is 8. Okay, this is equal to 2 plus 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2 34. What is A5 value?
34.
So direct A5 is equal to A plus 4d ಅಂತ ಬರಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ರಿ. But in exam they will ask this formula. Understood? Right. 8th question. The question is a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, sn is equal to 210. What we need to find out? D and an. N value. D and n value. We know a value, we know an value. a भी पता है, an भी पता है. sn का छोटा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. What is the sn छोटा फॉर्मूला?
n/2
sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket a plus an. Okay, n value don't know, but sn is equal to 210. n divided by 2 in bracket what is a value? 8 plus 62. Okay, division 2, it will become multiplication. 210 into 2 is equal to n in bracket 70 into 70, it will become divided by 210 into 2 divided by 70. n is equal to 0 cancel, 7 1s are 7 3s are 3 2s are 6. Therefore n is equal to 6. We got n is equal to 6. What we need to find out? D. What? D. We need to find out D. Therefore an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. What is n value? 6. a6 is equal to a value 8 plus 6 minus 1 into d. a6 is equal to what is a6? 62 an value 6. an is equal to 62. 62 is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 1 into d plus 8, it will become 62 minus 8 is equal to 8 minus 1 5d. This is 54 is equal to 5 into d into 5, it will become divide. 54 divided by 5 is equal to d. What is the value?
54/5.
Check it out. 8th question, an is equal to 8 4 है ना. 8th question, an is equal to 4, then d is equal to 2, sn is equal to -14, n is equal to question mark, a is equal to question mark. Look here, we know that we need to find out n value. For that we need to have an formula. An is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. What is an? 4 is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1, d value is 2. 4 is equal to a plus 2 into n 2n minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Okay, minus 2 will become plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to a plus 2n. 6 is equal to a plus 2n plus 2n will become minus 6 minus 2n is equal to a. Therefore what is a value? 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n. What is a value? 6 minus 2n. Understood? Then sn formula, small formula. Sn formula kana small formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. Sn value minus 14 is equal to n by 2 in bracket. What is a value? 6 minus 2n plus an value 4 minus 14 is equal to n by 2 in bracket. 6 plus 4 10 minus 2n minus 14 is equal to, look here, 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 into n 5n minus 2 ones are cancel, n is there, n into n square, okay, minus n square, it will become plus it will become minus n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Multiply first and last term, minus 14 n square, 2 7s are, correct, 7 2s are 7n 2n, one is minus, one is plus. Then what we got here, n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to, minus 14 is equal to 0. Here what is common here? N is common, n minus 7 plus 2 is common, n minus 7 is equal to, n plus 2 is equal to 0 and n minus 7 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to 7. N is equal to minus 2 not applicable. Therefore n is equal to 7. We got n value. What we need to find out? A. Correct? An is equal to formula or a value equal to equation number 1. That is a is equal to, what is the value? 6 minus 2n. Equation number 1. Take this as equation number 1. From equation number 1, a is equal to 6 minus 2n. N value is 7. A is equal to 6 minus 14. A is equal to minus 8. A is minus 8 and n is 7. Check it out. Check my answer.